right, for the second half of Activity 6-1, we're going to talk about changes in supply. What are factors that make changes in supply occur? It might be number of producers, number of sellers. It might be a change in technology. It could be government policies or a natural disaster event that might occur. So we're going to look at some of these changes and how it affects the shift in the supply curve. We have headlines just like before, 7 of them. The first one says, and we're going to start at C. I'll put a little dot at C. Okay? And it says, Auto Worker Union agrees to wage and fringe cuts. Well, that doesn't happen very often, okay? They don't usually agree to a lot of wage or fringe cuts, but in this instance, I guess we're going to go with that. So if they're going to say they don't want as much money, that means supply is going to increase, which we shift it to the left. Okay, we're now at curve D, because they'll be able to make more products because they're not paying as much in labor. Okay, number 2. New robot technology increases efficiency. That's going to increase supply because there's a better way of doing things. They're going to be able to make more robots, or robots will make more items. Right now we are dealing with the supply of foreign and domestic produced cars in the United States. So a nationwide auto strike began at midnight. That's going to be a decrease because they're not going to be making as many cars. Number 4, new auto import quotas reduce flow for foreign cars. Okay, well, let's go to quota. They're going to reduce. That means it's going to decrease, and we're back to C. Cost of steel rises. That means they're going to have to pay more for their input cost. So if input costs are more, their supply is going to go down. And now we're at B, there was a decrease. Auto producer goes bankrupt, closes operation. That's definitely a decrease. And now we're at curve A. Buyers reject new models. Actually, there's no change. And we stay at A. So these are factors that might affect the supply curve. Down here it says a change in the cost of production. Cost of production, well, that could be number 1. What else could be a cost of production? Number 5. Okay, a change in technology. Well, the new robot over here, number 2. Okay, natural disaster event that causes decrease in production. That could possibly be the strike, number 3. Okay, it could be going bankrupt, that auto producer, number 6. And last but not least, government policies. That would be the quotas, number 4. So these are changes that would affect the supply curve.